You know that the world is healing when your mailman starts delivering you packages that you ordered months before. Hi guys, my name is Colin, and this is Hypegeek, the show where we celebrate hype and me just geeking the heck out of things. And this time we have another package from Adidas. I believe this is what I ordered before the ECQ actually happened. So like 2 days before the ECQ actually happened, I was able to get my hands on this. It's a Yeezy, and we're gonna be checking out what it is. So here we go. But before we do that, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, because we're outing more and more videos for you guys. And we are currently running a giveaway. Again, we're giving this guy away. This is the Pokemon X New Era cap. Currently, as of this recording, we're around 200 shy of actually hitting our goal of 8,000 subscribers before we can activate this. So keep on sharing this, keep on asking your friends to like it if they do like it, subscribe to this channel. That's going to help us a lot, as in super a lot. Again, if you subscribe, don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when we out a new video. So there you go, guys. Again, sayang to. Alright, here we go. So again guys, it always pays to be safe. So let's spray on some alcohol on this box. Kahit nasprayan ko na siya kanina, let's just double down on the alcohol. Make sure that this whole box, this whole area is germ-free so that we can do our unboxing in peace. So if you've ever ordered in the local Adidas website, you know that your shoe is going to be safe. It's going to be double boxed. And we're going to be opening the first box so we can reveal what's inside. Hopefully this is what I ordered, or else magugulat ako, hindi ko alam kung ano tong kinuha ko. Because I remember ordering some stuff in Adidas as well that isn't the Yeezy. So I don't know. I hope it's the Yeezy though. So again, for those asking, is this an ECQ pickup? Nope, this is a pre-ECQ pickup. So I was actually hoping that they would be able to deliver this during at least the ECQ, because at that time, remember, we don't really have a lot of protocols yet. We don't know if mail is still allowed, and you know, apparently a lot of those things got delayed because of it. But bam, for you guys. Here we go. This is the box. I think I opened the wrong side. But yeah, here you go. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 in Desert Sage. So typical of any of the Yeezy boxes, this comes in a cardboard Yeezy box. There's a big 350 labeled here, and you have the details of the shoe here. I got mine on a 9.5. That's my usual Yeezy 350 size. That's also my Ultra Boost size. Again, if you have wide feet, you might want to go half a size up on your 350. If you do have, you know, normal or narrow feet, you can go through to size as well. And it says here the colorway is Desert Sage, Desert Sage, Desert Sage. They're not being too creative with the colorway names right now, huh, are they? But yeah, let's open this baby up. Ooh. Dahan-dahan. There we go. Woo! Ooh, that's one shoe down. Let's get the other one here. So, there we go. You didn't see anything. All right, here we go. This is the Yeezy 350 V2 in Desert Sage, fresh from adidas.com.ph. So I'm just taking this thing out. So as you can see, it comes in this gorgeous green mint upper prime knit. A couple of things to note that's different between this and a couple of the other past Yeezy 350 V2s would be the lack of the pull tab here at the back. There is no pull tab here. It's a much cleaner silhouette. Plus, there is no more exposed stitching here running down the toe box. It's a really clean looking prime knit now. Of course, it just has a single color prime knit, and instead of a translucent stripe running through the lateral side, it actually comes with this, I don't know, metallic silver prime knit. This whole strip is actually reflective. Yes. So kudos to you if you were able to get one in the local drop, because this cost 13,000 pesos and you got yourself a reflective stripe. This design actually mimics a Yeezy Supply exclusive that was dropped a couple of weeks, or I guess a month before the Desert Sage drop. That is the Yeezy 350 V2 Marsh colorway. Has a yellow-blue vibe instead of a green and orange one that we have here. And as far as I know, it also comes with a reflective stripe. This is actually great because I actually thought that this would be a non-reflective shoe. Now, one thing that sort of bothers me while I was filming the entire thing is that I actually can't find the tag. I don't know if Adidas actually took it out, but it's not included. Huh. It's weird. Something I probably should ask Adidas, but Honestly, I'm a little bit bothered by it, but I'm not too bothered by it. You know what I mean? Because I really just un-DS everything anyway. Now I understand I'm opening this by the end of May, and honestly, this would have been an amazing shoe had I gotten it a little bit earlier in the year. This is a great pre-summer shoe for me. You have lots of green. The orange pop here is just beautiful. It does kind of give me a pumpkin kalabasa vibe, right? I mean, you have green and you have this nice like bright orangey happening. I don't know, but you know what, vegetation is always nice. It connotes life and freshness, and you have all of these things here in this shoe. Now if you've watched my previous unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 Earth, I did mention that I gravitate towards louder colorways than neutrals, and this is a pretty loud colorway. Now, typical of any Yeezy 350s, the Desert Sage runs a full boost midsole across the shoe. This gives you unrivaled comfort, especially if you're going to be using it for the whole day. I've actually brought a couple of Yeezy 350s in my travel abroad during the time that we can travel abroad, and I was able to survive the whole day walking, riding trains, commuting, going from one shop to the next because of the boost midsole. Now, my only concern on this shoe would be the outsole. It does come in this translucent flesh tone, light orange colorway, and this is going to attract dirt like anything. If you're a clean freak, make sure that you have wet wipes or crepe wipes with you always. So aside from the local Adidas following through with their orders, adidas.com.ph has been releasing a lot of Yeezys in the past couple of weeks. They just dropped the Yeezy 700 V3 Avlas, the Yeezy 500 High Styran, and this weekend they are going to be dropping the Yeezy 700 MNVN in triple blacks. So if you've always wanted a pair of Kanye's kicks, now is a great time to get yourselves one because it's readily available, and because a lot of the physical stores are still closed, I'm pretty sure they're going to be pouring more stocks on their online shop. And that's it for this really quick unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Desert Sage colorway. I am happy that Adidas has been fulfilling in their orders because that means that business is picking up. And if business is picking up, it means more and more local releases as well. And that's all the time we have right now for Hypegeek. If you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. My name is Colin, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Keep safe, guys, and keep healthy. Bye-bye, Hype Peeps. Peace out.